Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to show you around this Range Rover Sport in Yulong White. This is a 5 litre V8 and you also have a black contrasting roof, 22-inch alloys, satin black finish, a powered tailgate, privacy glass and keyless entry. Going into the back of the vehicle, you have rear seat entertainment, which is ideal for children, along with seats that look pretty much brand new and have hardly been sat on. Going into the front of the vehicle, you have deployable side steps, making it easier to get in and out of the car, Range Rover script tread plates, ebony and pimento leather interior. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light. Front centre console cooler compartment, which is handy for keeping refreshments cold on long journeys. You also have a touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with ambient lighting with several different colours to choose from, which looks cool especially in the dark. Everything can be controlled using the buttons on your wheel. You also have adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitor, making driving along the motorway safer and easier. You also have a heated steering wheel, along with heated and cooled front seats, which is ideal for winter and summer. The front seats are also memory, which is handy if there's several people in and out of the car, and you also have a Meridian sound system. This car has done 46,284 miles. It's next due for a service in February 2022, and here you can see the history of it, and you do also have 2 keys, which is great in case you lose one, and this car has previously had only one owner. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was the stunning Range Rover Sport. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 2111 31. Thank you.